Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to add freeze frame in CapCut using your PC or laptop. So now let's open our laptop and then click on the CapCut application and then click on add a new project. Now you just have to click on the import to import your video. So let's select this one right here and then drag the video right here. So now you just have to click on the added video and you can click on the cat button or the cat icon right here at the top. And after that, when you click on that clip, you can see the freeze frame. You just have to click on it and then be able to get your freeze frame. Now you just have to click on it to adjust the duration of your freeze frame. So let's preview this video. As you can see, we have now our freeze frame. So if you want to, change the duration, you can then just have to click on this right here and then drag your photo. And after that, you just have to click on the export button and you have the video exporting details. And after that, you just have to click on export. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.